La lealtad. La lealtad. Lealtad. La lealtad. What does this mean? This is a feminine noun because we're saying la lealtad. Okay? La lealtad. And this means, let's see what this means. This means loyalty. Okay? Loyalty. And it's very, I want to just oh my God, what the hell? I want to let you know something really quickly here. Something, I would say you can learn 2 words here, really, because the word leal means loyal, okay? Leal, loyal. And if you have lealtad, that means loyalty. So you know now 2 different words. Leal, lealtad. Okay? Leal is an adjective, of course. Ella es leal. Él es leal. There's no masculine nor feminine. And lealtad is a noun. Okay? Hello, Han L. Welcome. Excellent. Una mujer leal. Una mujer leal. Un hombre leal. That's correct. Excellent. Okay, so now we know what that means. Now, let's look at an example and let's see how this word works in Spanish. Lo que más valoro en mis amigos es la lealtad. And I missed a period here. Yeah. Lo que más valoro en mis amigos es la lealtad. Just by knowing what lealtad means, you know what we're talking about. Amigos, you know what that word means. It means friends. Lealtad, loyalty. So we're talking about friends and loyalty. So let's see what this sentence means. This sentence means what I value most in my friends is loyalty. Okay, so this is an important word for sure. Loyalty, lealtad. Very, very good. It's a very good word. So let's break this down and let's see what the meaning of everything here in this sentence. So something really important, of course, about Spanish is this phrase here. Lo que. In this situation, or that phrase, means what? Okay? Lo has a bunch of different meanings. Sometimes it means it, sometimes it means him, you, sometimes it refers to a thing or things, and sometimes it means what, especially if you use lo que, what. And that's commonly said in Spanish, especially when you want to say what you like or something that you appreciate or value. This lo que works perfectly there, because if you just say que más valoro, it sounds incomplete. But when you have lo que, it means that you are talking about something that you hate, love, value, or whatever you think about or feel about. You might value things, you might hate things, and so on. So when you're talking about something, in this case we're talking about lealtad, but we need this to refer to it. It's like an introduction. Lo que, in English you just need what. Lo que más, that's another thing. You can also remember this phrase here, lo que más, and that means what and most, okay, in this situation. So you can say lo que más amo, what I love the most, okay, or most. Lo que más odio, what I hate the most, or most. Okay, so lo que más is a very, very useful phrase. In this situation, we're talking about valoro, value. In this situation, obviously, you can have yo here. Lo que yo más valoro. So essentially, it will go here. Just let me. You don't need it, of course. You don't need yo all the time, but if you want to use it, the correct placement will be in between que and más. Lo que yo más valoro. If you say lo que más yo valoro, it sounds okay, but it's more common to say lo que yo más valoro. Okay, so of course you don't need yo, so we can get rid of it. Valoro comes from the verb valorar. It sounds like Valorant, the video game, but we're not talking about video games here. Valorar is a verb and it means to value, okay? Yo valoro, obviously valoro is conjugated and it means I value, okay? Right here. In mis amigos, my friends, is la lealtad, loyalty. Okay, so now we know how this phrase or this sentence works. We know what it means. We know why we have those words there. We learned a few common phrases. Lo que más, I would say just one. Well, you can say lo que or lo que más. It depends on what you want to say. But that's a very important phrase to learn. And, you know, we learned about valorar and lealtad. Excellent.